Welcome to Sweet Life Beat Life. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to change the thermostat in your Chrysler Town and Country. First, gather your tools, including a 10 mm socket, pliers, and a drain pan. Make sure your engine is completely cool to prevent burns. You'll also need a new thermostat, a fresh gasket, and some new coolant. Having everything ready beforehand makes the process much smoother and quicker. Now, let's get to work. Position a drain pan directly under your radiator to catch all the old coolant. Carefully open the radiator drain cock, allowing the coolant to flow out completely. This step is crucial for safety and to avoid a mess. Once drained, you can locate the thermostat housing, usually found near the upper radiator hose connection on the engine. With the coolant drained, use your 10 mm socket to remove the two bolts holding the thermostat housing in place. Gently pull off the housing and carefully remove the old thermostat and its gasket. Clean the mating surfaces thoroughly. Now, insert your new thermostat, ensuring the spring faces inward, and place the new gasket before reattaching the housing and tightening the bolts. Finally, refill your cooling system with the appropriate coolant, checking your owner's manual for the correct type and capacity. Start the engine and let it run with the heater on high to bleed any air from the system, topping off the coolant as needed. Keep an eye on your temperature gauge during your first few drives. For other great deals and to check out those amazing socks, be sure to look at the links in the description below.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.